Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. Good freaking morning. Well, here we are. It is another month down on, well, our Helium and, well, now DePin updates. So, before, we were just mainly going over our Helium devices that were earning IoT and mobile. Well, that is now grown, and now we have quite a few different DePin passive income devices as it stands currently, which is really cool, and I love seeing that. I just continue to keep growing this. But since we have grown this to so many different devices, it's time to break out the spreadsheets. Oh, it's time. So here is our now monthly breakdown that we'll be adding to every single month for all of our DePin devices, and some that I actually would love to currently get. So that would be like the Weather XM, the Geode. Those are two things that I'm currently looking at. I think XNet would be one as well that I could potentially look at. But nonetheless, right now we are going to be going over our Osprey G1 hotspot, which does produce IoT on the Helium and Solana network, but based on Helium, as well as our Nova Labs indoor Wi-Fi hotspot that does mobile, which currently is off thanks to our ISP. Our ISP has been doing work and causing a lot of interference and issues. I haven't had internet. I didn't have internet for almost 2 days, and it was a bummer. The whole world was dark for me, and yeah. But right now it's not on because it's causing an issue with some sort of update that they did on the network, and every time that I plug it in, it just starts sending bad packets. So I currently do not have it plugged in right now, just to kind of see if my network is going to stabilize out after having to replace my router because my old one was being a piece of crap, to say the least, and then the ISP service being interrupted as well isn't helping things. So have it undone for now, but we will go over this month's earnings, as well as the Helium phone plan that I do have that I use for mobile mapping. We do have a Blackbird from Chirp Wireless Gateway, and we will be going over those once they go mainnet. We have testnet rewards, but we're having an issue with seeing those testnet rewards, so we're going to have to leave this blank for now, unfortunately. And then as well, we have Demo. Now, we have two Demo devices. We have an AutoPi as well as a Macron. The Macron actually offloads packet data through my IoT hotspot that I currently have. So that's kind of cool. And then we have the Uprock app, which utilizes your extra bandwidth to help AI. A little bit different. Runs on my Helium mobile plan, so it doesn't really do anything else. But this is the current standing of the market. These prices will have to update accordingly, because for whatever reason the API is broken and it won't update. So here we are, the month of May. We earned 242.27 IoT at this current last month. It is down considerably from what it was over this kind of gives you a good visualization of it all. We are down really bad since the beginning of the month, and that is mainly because there are less IoT hotspots than there used to be around me. So I am not getting as many broadcasts, and most likely I'm going to have, my antenna is already like 16 feet in the air, and it looks like I'm going to have to raise it up even higher if I want to get out and over the trees. So, and this is our G1 hotspot from Osprey Electronics, and you can find the link for this down below if you so desire. I do not have a coupon code, but they are on sale right now. If you go to their website, or if you go to their Twitter, I think they have a coupon code. But yes, so, and you do not have to pay for your $40 onboarding. It actually pays for it itself. So don't worry about that. But this is my G1 mobile or IoT hotspot. And they do have extra little accessories. If you are curious, you can actually buy these and not have the Osprey device, because this is probably about the best deal I've seen for the coaxial cable. About $30 per 5 meters, which isn't that bad in my personal opinion. So you can actually get this from them, as well as a fiberglass antenna, which I do have. I have one of these. I actually have two of these. One of these got lost in shipping and it never showed up, and the second one finally showed up. So we have two of these currently, but we only have one roll of cable, is what it is, right? Yeah, cool little stuff that they do have off their website. Now, over a total of 1 month on both devices, we were sitting around 19, almost 20,000 IO or mobile for the last month. We had 10,000 on our indoor hotspot, which was freaking great. Now it's going to be down considerably because we're going to have multiple days where it's off. So that's going to be a bit of a bummer. And the reason for the uptick as well, there has been recent HIPs passed that did increase the earnings of these. And also, since my Helium mobile plan links into my Wi-Fi hotspot, when using Uprock, it increased my data flow by a bit. You can see right here. Before we started having a ton of internet issues, right here, this is the Uprock app using data through my phone and downloading and uploading data, or basically downloading the data. That was really cool, seeing this in real time, which in turns did reward me, since we were using a good amount of data transfers. It was actually rewarding us in quite a bit of data, which is great. And now you can get those still from Helium. You can now actually get the CBRS radios. You'll soon be able to get them from Minted. So if anybody remembers Minted from the IoT days, well, they are back again. As well, like I said, the Chirp device, you currently cannot buy one, and also we don't have rewards listed for this, but I've earned about 800 or so currently since they've revamped the token. And then mainnet should be coming up here rather soon. So hopefully we'll be able to start adding the rewards to this coming up in the next month or so, I think. Now, when it comes down to demo, we have made about 73.5 demo in the last month off of our two cars that I have my demo devices plugged into. Now, the great part about this is that this is free, right? So, as long as you are going to use them, you can hit up our boy right here, Suburban Crypto. Tell him that I sent you. But you can get demo devices for free. Now, there's a caveat to that. You do split rewards with him, or with his company, right? So that way you are earning and they are earning as well, but you don't have to pay for any of the devices. And if at any point you are done with the device, just let them know, send it back. That way they can allocate it to somebody who's going to use it. So just a cool shout out to him, and thank him for sending these over to me to get testing, because he did send these over to me. Now, granted, you can get them for free too, but I am also paying the 50-50 split. So just so you know, I don't get special treatment. But it is cool because it is a good way to kind of test and earn this. If I had bought these out of my own pocket, we would be sitting around 147 demo, but we would have paid around $300 to $400 for the devices in total for both of them. So we did cut our cost down to 0 and still get to keep on earning. Pretty FA. And it does, the Macron offloads data through my IoT hotspot, so I do get an extra bonus in IoT from that, which is it's not very much. As you can see right here. See, like, we're not getting any like beacons. It's like there's a beacon or a witness, there's a witness, but there's like nothing. No witnesses. So if you just take off this and take off beacon rewards, all that's left is transfer rewards, right? So transfer rewards are only because of the Macron device. The Macron is creating these transfers. So we're earning an extra half an IoT to 1 IoT per day with it offloading. Now, if I was living in a busy part of the town, I would probably see this tick up a lot more. Granted, I'm the only person around here that probably has a Macron, so I'm the only one providing this to my own vehicle. So do keep that in mind, that it could be better for you if you live in a populated city. I do not. As well as Uprock, we're rounding it out with Uprock, and pretty cool, straightforward app. All right, you get earnings based upon how much you're providing via data. I've tried this. I don't like this. Don't do this. But downloaded, uploaded, gives you an average earnings. You can scan the code right here, or you can click the link that is down below. It's the same thing. Now, if you are providing this, I earn about half an Uprock an hour, right? Currently, I'm sitting at 58 Uprock, and is currently trading at about 4.5 cents. So just about right. So we can do 4.5. That gives us all of our total earnings down here at the bottom, as well as this will give us a running total of everything price wise. Granted, these prices are a little off, so 1 second. So that is the current standing and pricing of everything that we do currently have. So Demo, we've earned about $16.16 in the last month, since that one is something that we just started, as well as Uprock, we're about $2.70 at the standing. Now, the reason why this says 60 and this says 58, well, we did get, since we voted in the Jupiter voting round, we got an airdrop of 10. It's not inside of inside of that wallet. We did get it in a separate wallet, so I did include that into that, since we did get that, right? So this was taken before the month started. Now I have hit 60 in my main wallet, so technically we're around like, I think 70 or something like that. But that is the current standing of the month of May's DePin earnings. Now, I do want to say, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, that bell notification, so you know time that we go live here or post videos on the channel. I would greatly appreciate it, guys. You all are out freaking standing. And well, if you have any comments, questions, please post them down in the chat below, as well as if there is any other devices that maybe we should take a look at and expand into our network, please put them down below. We'll catch y'all next time, guys. Much love. Peace out. Remember, DGen accordingly, DeFi accordingly, DePin accordingly, and well, we're just gonna head out of here. Peace.